I got it. Alright. Oh my god. Some big old shit.
It's awesome, man.
It's coming over there.
Oh,
did I get the
shot across the sky.
Holy Jesus.
Fuck.
That's huge, isn't it, dude? It's just like everywhere. No, dude, wait till you see one of these fucking huge ones. We saw one that went all the way to the damn ground. It just goes whoosh. Lit up the whole sky. Looked like it's daytime around here. Oh, there we go.
That was a good one, dude.
That was a bad one. That one was sick. Coming all the way to the fucking ground. Somebody's got electrocuted.
I don't know how long my recorder lasts.
Oh!
Probably a minute. Oh.
It's like Judgment Day. It's like a war in the sky.
Yeah, I love weather like this. Fucking tight.
It's like, man, the sky is God, it's pissed off.
You got herpes.
And it's like, fuck yeah.
I'm pissed.
It's a war on Mount Olympus.
Cody, shut up.
You got your haircut. Whoa.
Oh,
Holy shit.
my.
It's like a strobe light. It hurt my eyes.